Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to share your live location on Snapchat with your friends. First, open the settings and scroll down to bottom and tap on Apps. Scroll down until you find Snapchat and tap on it. Now tap on Location and, select Always under Allow Location Access. This enables real-time location sharing with your selected friends on Snapchat Map. Now go back to your home screen and open the Snapchat app. You'll land on the camera screen. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom panel to view your friend list. Select the friend you want to share your live location with. At the bottom of the chat, tap the plus icon and tap on Share Location icon, then tap Share My Live Location. They can now see your real-time location on Snapchat Map. If you just want to share your current location without live tracking, you can tap Drop a Pin instead to share where you are right now. And that's it. You've successfully enabled live location sharing on Snapchat. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.